are continuing from Mysore.
Oh.
He's
It's
waiting
so
for the
cute.
next round. And the elephants are going for taking bath.
Cute.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
It's very clear now. Cool.
Beautiful. Malagal. Malagal.
See, very dangerous. Vehicles are coming, right?
Whoa. This is tough.
Very tough to drive. Another weekend. Today we are going to Ooty. Now we are in Mudumalai. On the way, we thought of visiting one of the oldest elephant camps in India, Teppekadu Elephant Camp. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. After driving 150 kilometers from our place, we reached the heritage city, Mysore. We need to stop here for our breakfast, then we will continue from here. So we started at 3:30, took around 2 hours and 45 minutes. Now we reached the heritage city, Mysore. KSRTC. Now we are about to reach Mysore suburban bus stand area. We will stop near to Mysore bus stand for having our breakfast. This is Mysore bus stand. It is too early. No other restaurants open. We had our breakfast from a small restaurant in front of Mysore KSRTC bus stand. Only idli and chutney available. No other items available. So we had idli. Nice idli? Good?
Yeah.
After breakfast, we are continuing from Mysore. Misty morning, cloudy and very misty. Now we are passing through Mysore city. Right side you can see the beauty of Mysore Palace in the misty weather. From here we are taking left to Ooty Road. So it is showing 160 kilometers to Ooty from here. If you are taking Masinagudi route, it will be just 130 kilometers from Mysore. Now we reached Gundlpet town. It is showing 100 kilometers to Ooty from here. This is Gundlpet town. We travelled around 210 kilometers from our apartment, Bangalore. We need to go straight. If we take right, it will go to Wayanad and Kozhikode. It is 153 kilometers from here to Kozhikode. Time is 7:45. From this signal, we need to go straight. Right side is to Wayanad and Kozhikode. We are entering Bandipur Tiger Reserve. There is another checkpost, that is Tamil Nadu checkpost ahead. Sky is getting clearer.
And brighter.
Now we are passing through Bandipur National Park.
Now I remember this place.
Time is 8 o'clock. Very beautiful weather. We can see the blue sky at last. Hopefully the weather will be good once we reach there. Right, Nanda?
Yeah.
See the road, Nanda?
Yeah. The road is parallel.
Here hairpin bends are there.
Yay. I love hairpin bends.
See,
Awesome.
one more. This looks like one way. Here another hairpin.
Whee!
So we are reaching on the top. Left side you can see.
Whoa, look at those deers.
Now we reached Bandipur. If we pass the forest early, we can spot lot of wild animals. See the scenery, Nanda, amazing scenery.
Love it.
See the beautiful forest, Bandipur forest. This is Bandipur Tiger Reserve. I will show you something, Nanda. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Our national bird,
Peacock.
peacock. See? Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
This is a male one.
So it's
Beautiful, right?
yeah.
Yeah, we are continuing from here. Check post. Checking is there. This is Karnataka Tamil Nadu border. They have taken the name and the vehicle number. In front of this you can see Tamil Nadu check post. So we are entering the Nilgiri district. This is the Tamil Nadu border. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve welcomes you. Here also there is a checking. We paid 30 rupees in Mudumalai check post. Now we are passing through Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. No plastic bottles, disposable glasses, nothing is allowed. If you are carrying anything, they will take and they will levy a fine of 50 rupees. It is very clear now. Nanda, see left side.
Deers.
See, this is the usual scene when we cross the Bandipur forest or Mudumalai forest. We will spot lot of deers. See, Nanda?
Ah,
See closer view. Nanda.
so cute.
See the beauty of mountains. Cool. See the valley. Now we reached Mudumalai. I think here there is an elephant camp. We need to take left from here. From here we are taking left. Ooty 36 kilometers. This is Mudumalai. Small bridge here we need to cross. Moyer River. So this is Moyer River. Muddy due to heavy rain.
I knew it.
We are crossing the bridge across Moyer River. On top you can see the elephant camp, Nanda. Can you see that?
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
Teppakad elephant camp. 8:30 onwards it will open. Let us try. Visiting time 8:30 to 9 morning. Private vehicle prohibited. So there is no parking inside. Came here and parked our car. I dropped Shemi and Nanda near to the gate. So this is Mudumalai. Entry ticket, we need to go so far, that reception center. Long way to walk for taking the tickets. For ticket counter, we need to go here, reception center, ticket counter. We need to walk till there. See, I reached near to the ticket counter, Mudumalai. This is reception center. Need to go here for getting tickets. I took the ticket. We need to pay 30 rupees per head. Now rushing towards the entrance of Teppakadu Elephant Camp. This will open only at 8:30 till 9 o'clock morning, and evening 5:30 to 6 o'clock. It will be very difficult to get a chance for entering into Teppakadu Elephant Camp. I reached here in the entrance gate. Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Mudumalai. See, this is Teppakadu Elephant Camp. This is one of the oldest elephant camp in India.
Oh.
See the baby.
So cute. What?
Cub only, right?
Think so. So cute. Almost looks like the size of me only, right?
See, Nanda, interesting facts about elephants. Elephants drink up to 200 liters of water per day.
Whoa.
Can you imagine? A water tank. Right?
Yeah. That elephant looks sad, and some water droplets are coming out of it.
Jumbo. Oh, what is doing?
It's about to blow, I know it.
Blow?
I
Water?
mean, water, yeah. I just know it by seeing the look of it. I think elephants like doing that.
Nanda,
Yeah?
the other interesting fact is, so elephants need minimum 150 to 200 kgs of food per day.
Oh my goodness.
200 kgs of food per day, just imagine. This elephant camp was established in the year 1927. So this is
Oh,
one of the oldest elephant camp in India.
nice. Think it's eating. That elephant looks so miserable. A baby elephant weighs 95 kgs.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they are feeding, see.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That tusker is so excited.
Feeding baby.
Oh, it's so excited. Ready to take another gulp?
Baby is enjoying, right?
Yeah. Babies will always enjoy.
See, there is a peacock there, you can see.
First I thought it was a rock or something. Looks like a rock.
See,
Wow.
he's waiting
so
for the
cute.
next round.
Round 2.
They are preparing the food.
Nice.
Yeah.
For the awesome and cute elephants. Whoa, whoa,
See, peacocks are so friendly here.
Nice.
See, one more is
Oh,
coming.
ho, ho.
See,
So beautiful. No wonder peacocks are the national bird of India. Like that cute crown on them.
Oh, they are coming to host the national flag.
Because they're the national birds. Obviously.
So closer view, right? See?
I
Never seen peacock
Yeah.
this much closer.
Yeah, I never dared to go close to a peacock this near.
See,
Whoa.
it came for giving a visit to elephants.
Yeah. Or maybe elephants and peacocks are friends here. Or maybe they're cousins.
This is Teppekadu Elephant Camp, Muthumalai. On the way, we thought of visiting one of the oldest elephant camps in India, Teppekadu Elephant Camp.
Sugarcane! Awesome!
Where? Oh, she's eating sugarcane.
I love sugarcane. And did you know elephants eat 16 to 20 hours a day?
Oh, full time eating only.
I think so. Daddy, did you know that the short-hummed elephants are only in males?
Oh, I was not knowing that.
Big brain, you small brain.
Yeah. So we done with Teppekadu Elephant Camp. Enjoyed, Nanda?
I loved it.
Now we'll go to our next destination. So let's see. Hopefully we'll go to Paikara Lake or boathouse on the way. Okay?
Okay.
Such a fantastic scenery. See, in front of this, there is a peacock
Whoa.
and elephants are going for taking bath in
Oh.
Moy River.
Bye-bye, elephants.
Nanda, we need to go there. I parked the vehicle there.
Oh, yeah, I can
The other
see.
side of the river.
Got it.
I need to walk till there and get the vehicle. You people can wait here.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay.
I reached here near to parking area. Long view of Teppekadu.
Hi.
See, this is the long view of
Hello, Dad.
Teppekadu Elephant Camp.
Can you hear us? Hi.
Shami and Nanda,
We
they
can't
are
hear
waving
you.
their hands from there.
Sap.
Now we are continuing our journey to Ooty.
Yeah.
We are going through Masinagudi road. Road is little bit narrow and we need to go through 36 hairpin bends. This is the shortest way. It is just 34 kilometers to Ooty. If you go through Gudalur, it is 68 kilometers. If you are confident enough driving through the narrow hairpin roads, you can try this route. Now we reached Masinagudi town. This is Masinagudi town.
Dreamland Hyper Shoppy. More like Dream Girl Nanda Shoppy.
With Ravi, we came here only, right?
Yeah, we came here. Yeah, 3 years back,
Yeah.
3 or 4 years back, right?
4 years.
Oh, now I remember. I was small that time.
See the background, the backdrops.
Whoa. Beautiful. Cause I'm broken and it's
What is the name?
beautiful.
Mavanalla.
Avanalla.
Mavanalla.
So we have to climb that. We have to reach that.
I
That mountain.
think so.
Hmm.
Wow. So beautiful scenery.
Bhagwan Mahavir Goshala.
Goshala, you know what is Goshala?
Cow shed.
Oh, cow shed.
Wow, see the beauty.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice weather.
I love it.
Wanted to show the mountains. See that?
Fascinating, amazing, marvelous, gorgeous. No words.
No words. Wow. See the road.
Yeah.
Time is 9:30.
9:30.
I think we'll take another hour to reach Ooty.
Oh
So
my
first
God.
we will go to Paikara Lake or waterfalls. Okay?
Okay.
From there we will go to the shooting point.
Shooting point. Well knock.
Wenlock 9th mile shooting point.
9th
And
mile.
from there we directly go to our
Resort.
resort. Logan Camp.
Login camp.
See this, Nanda. Wow.
Are we surrounded by mountains or something?
Yeah. We're
I'm
going to
going to
climb
step
up
back.
that mountain.
No way! Hope they're awesome hairpin bends.
Yeah.
I love hairpin bends.
So in between water, Nanda, you can see the white, silver color.
Kind of glittery.
Wow. Beautiful, right?
Yeah.
No words.
The weather is awesome today.
Don't know what will happen once we reach
As
there.
of now.
As of now, it's good.
Yeah, hopefully it won't rain.
See the mountains, right?
Yeah. Can't stop seeing it.
Surrounded by lush greenery
Yeah.
with beautiful mountains. These are all the things making us to come again and again, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooty is calling back.
Yep.
Last summer we came, so this is winter.
Yep. Whoa, 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 whoa. A lion-tailed monkey.
This is the 7th time we are coming.
This is 8th time we are coming to Ooty.
Oh!
Now we are going through the guard session. I think we have around 36 hairpin bends to reach Ooty.
Look at the other mountain. Some part of it is black and some part of it is green. Is it because of the shadow of the cloud or... Oh, I thought it was...
See that? Wow.
Yep.
Amazing is not the word.
Nanda, can you feel that climate means weather change?
We can feel, right?
Nanda, little bit
Little bit
Just a
chilled now.
teensy bit.
Accidents. So
ears and all. No? Blocking.
now we are approaching the first hairpin bend,
Yay!
right?
Yes.
It's the first one.
Yes.
36th one. So we have another 35 hairpin bends.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna be wild.
Wow.
Oh, it's
So soon we reach
yeah,
35th one.
35.
Come on, Dad, keep it up a notch. Go faster. I like it when you're going faster.
No, this we cannot go fast.
See? Very dangerous. Vehicles are coming, right?
Yeah.
See?
34.
34.
Whoa. This is tough.
Very tough to drive.
Rough and tough and rough and tough and rough and tough.
Climbing up, there is no humps.
Good thing, or else I'll get shocked.
What is written there?
Uh,
Go green to keep the
keep it
city
clean.
There is a viewpoint here. Want to
Yeah.
see there? Want to go there?
No.
No? Okay.
I really want to see Ooty rather than seeing the mountains now. Ooty is one of my favorite places in Tamil Nadu.
Wow. See this? Very
Yes!
difficult.
Wow.
No, we are in 1250 meters above sea level. Hairpin
30
bend.
second.
30-second hairpin bend. Wow. I really enjoy driving through this type of road.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure, dude.
Adventurous driving.
Remove plastic, save the planet. Nice.
A pit stop.
Yep. Can you hear the gushing sound of the water?
Yeah. Wow, beautiful place, right?
Yep.
Speed breaker ahead, go slow. Wow. I will show you the cliff, the
Whoa.
valley. See the mountains.
Yeah.
Beautiful, right?
Yep.
Wow.
Malagal, Pulagal, Bhuminagal, Bhumika Kitty Gana.
Wow, such a beautiful place. Wow. Superb, Nanda.
Wow, see there, Nanda.
See this?
Nice.
Wow. Nice. On the way, a short break, a pit stop. There are so many attractions to see in Ooty. I will try to cover other attractions in my next episode. With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. You're watching Tint and Travel. Now we are heading to our next destination.
What's that?
The travel never ends. Stay tuned for the upcoming episode.